Hello friends, today I'm going to present to you an idea for Eid boxes. I'm going to use a teal box for this and a golden ribbon. I think this gives a very festive look and it looks really pretty to present it to somebody. So let's open up and see what I have included in the box. The first thing you will see is a card. It says Eid Mubarak and it has this heart. This is a recycled paper and it is this is a recycled paper and it has flower seeds in it. This is very simple to grow because we are not presenting any real flowers with this, so this is a good idea to present seed paper. It has flowers in it. The person you are giving this to can pot this paper and the flowers will grow and they will enjoy it for a longer time. The next thing is a candle. The scent of this candle is honey and magnolia, and it has essential oils in it. No basket or box is complete without chocolate, so for this one I have included dark chocolate. These are bites and this is 70% cocoa. I've also included a small bouquet of flowers to tie in the whole theme with these colors. The next thing is sweet vermicelli box. In this I have included the ingredients and the recipe to make this delicious dessert. Inside you will find some vermicelli and nuts and cardamom in a jar.